11th standard, volume 1, exercise 1.1, problem number 4, subdivision 2. By taking suitable sets A, B, C, verify the result. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. For your convenience, we have seen the solution. So first one is, let us take the sets, suitable value of sets. Let A equal to, for your convenience, any value for sets 2, 3, 4, comma, and B equal to another value 3, 4, some 6, and C equal to 1, 3, 5. Anything for us? Let A 2, 3, 4 and B 3, 4, 6, C 1, 3, 5. It is not fixed value. For your convenience, have changed another value and applying the result, we have verified that. Clear that? Then, so applying the result for this one is LHS, left hand side. Then also find out all HS right hand side. So both are equal, then the result is verified. So now we have to find out a bracket terms B union C. First we have to find out B union C. B union C is nothing but union of sets B and C. So the value of B sets is 3, 4, 6 and the union C 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 C and B is 3, 4, 6. So what is union of two sets? By definition is the elements occur A or B. So B or C. So therefore the union of elements is 3, 4, 6, 1, 5. 3's are 2 times repeated. So write down only one term. So remaining ones are omitted. So the B union C set is 3, 4, 6, 1, 5. Then A cross B union C. Then A cross B union C. So we have to find out A cross B union C equal to A sets. The sets A is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 and B union C. B union C cross B union C is 3, 4, 6, 1, 5. So it is B union C. So B union C, A cross B union C is nothing but the product of two sets. The product of two sets. A cross B union C. A cross B union C is nothing but the product of two sets. So first product is Cartesian product of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. The first pair is 2, 3. Second one is 2 and 4. So 2, 4. Third one is 2 and 6. 2, 6. Fourth one is 2 and 1. 2, 2 and 1. 2, 1. Fifth one is 2, 5. 2, 5. So first entry is multiple 2 in sets A. Both elements 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 6, 2 into 1, 2 into 5, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 6, 2 into 1 and 2 into 5. So again second element, multiple into 3, 3 into 3, 3, 3 and 3, 4. Second pair of element 3, 6. Third pair of element 3, 1. Fourth pair of element and 3, 5. Fifth pair of element. Then last one is 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. And 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. So 4 comma 6. 4 comma 1. So 4 comma 5. It is LHS, left hand side of sets equation number 1. A cross B union C. The value of A cross B union C is nothing but 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 6, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 5, again 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, also on 4 comma 1 to 4 comma 5. So find out the RHS term. So RHS term is, first you have to find out A cross B. So then RHS term, let us take RHS in first term is A cross B. We have to find out A cross B. So A cross B is nothing but the pair of element in set of element in A. A is 2 comma 3 comma 4 and the cross B is 3 comma 4 comma 6. It is A cross B. A cross B, element of entries on sets A, entries on sets B. So again using the coefficient product 2 into 3, so 2 comma 3 first pair and 2 comma 4 second pair, 2 comma 6 third pair, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 6. Second entry is 3, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 6. Third entry is 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 4 and 4 comma 6. These entries are A cross B. Then again we have to find out A cross C. The coefficient product of set A cross C. The coefficient product of sets A cross C equal to A cross C, meaning that the set of entries in A. A is 2 comma 3 comma 4 cross C. Entries are C is 1 comma 3 comma 5. C is 1 comma 3 comma 5. Then the Cartesian product of A cross C is nothing but the product of entries A in B in set of pair. So 2 into 1. So first pair is 2 comma 1. Again second pair is 2 comma 3. Third pair is 2 comma 5. Comma second element 3 comma 1. First 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Second pair of elements. Third pair of element, comma 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. This one is third pair of elements. So the RHS term of total entries is RHS term A cross B, RHS term A cross B union A cross C equal to A cross B union A cross C. So A cross B union A cross C is nothing but union of both A cross B entries and A cross C entries. So first we have to write down A cross B entries or collect all A cross C, A cross B entries. So we have to write 2 cross 3, 2 cross 4, 2 cross 6 and 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6 and 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6. We have to first write out. And the second A cross C is omitting repeated term once again after the right term. So first one is 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 3, 6, 4, 3, 4, 3, and 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6. First you have to write down A cross B entries. Then union of A cross C entries is union of A cross C entries. Those elements are A cross C entries. Which one is A cross C entries? So repeated terms in there exists a repeated term omitted in A cross C and A cross B. After that, write down the remaining entries. So 2 cross 3, again 2 cross 3. So these terms repeated once again, right? Second elements 2, 4, 2, 4. No, once. So 2, 4. Third entries are 2, 6, 2, 6. Anything for write down 2, 6? No. 3, 3, 3, 3 is A cross C. 3, 3 omitted. So again 3, 4, 3, 4. Anything for A cross C? Not. So 3, 6. 3, 6. Anything for A cross C? So not. So 3, 4, 3. 4, 3 once. So omitted. 4, 4 not. So 4, 5 omitted. So write remaining entries in A cross C. So remaining entries in A cross C is 2, 1. Remaining entries A cross C is 2, 1 and 2, 5. 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, so 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 1. This one is equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. 2, 3, also 2, 3, 2, 4, also 2, 4, 2, 6, also 2, 6, again 3, 2, 1, so also 2, 1, 2, 5, also 2, 5, 3, 3, so also in 3, 3, 3, 4, so also 3, 4, and 3, 6, so also 3, 6, both are equal. So equation number 1 and 2 are equal, hence both 1 and 2 are equal, hence the result. So write down the result for LHS equal to RHS, hence verify the result. Second problem, fourth subdivision. Problem number 2 is by taking suitable sets A, B, C, we have verified the result. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. This term is LHS, another one is RHS. So first we have to find out LHS term. Then equation LHS term. The throughout LHS term is equation number 1. This one is LHS term, equation number 1. So write down RHS. We have to find out RHS. Then A cross B. First we have to find out A cross B and A cross C. Then union of A cross B, A cross C is nothing but result equal to 1. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proof, hence verified, hence verified result. So fourth result, fourth subdivision, fourth problem, subdivision number 2. Fourth problem, by taking suitable sets A, B, C, verify the result. Third subdivision, A cross B intersection B cross A equal to A intersection B cross B intersection A. So first we have to find out LHS. Both terms are LHS and this one is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verify the result. So first one, let us take the suitable sets for A, B, C. Let us take the suitable sets for A, B, C. For your convenience, take any value for set. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 3, 5 and C equal to 5, 6, 8. Something, anything one of the value. That A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 3, 5, C equal to 5, 6, 8. So first we have to find out A cross B. LHS term. First we have to find out A cross B. So A cross B. A cross B is nothing but Cartesian product of sets A and B. The set of entries A is 1, 2, 3 cross B is 2, 3, 5. Then A cross B equal to first entries multiply 1 and 2. So 1, 2 first pair, 1, 3 second pair of element, 1, 5 third pair of element, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 5. Second one is 2, 2 second pair of elements, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 2, 5. Third one is 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3, 5. This one is A cross B. So again we have to find out B cross A. Second one is we have to find out B cross A. So B cross A is nothing but the product of first sets B 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Write down the first sets B value and write down the second set in A value 1, 2, 3. B cross A is meaning that the product of entries, Cartesian product of entries B and A. So we have to write down first B entries after cross product second entries of A. So again same Cartesian product, applying the same Cartesian product, first entries and first entries 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 second entries 2, 3. First entries 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Second entries 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Second entries 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Third entries is 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 2 and 5, 3. 5, 3. It is B cross A. So first term is A cross B. Those entries. Again second term is B cross A. So LHS term, the common term of LHS is A cross B. A cross B intersection B cross A. A cross B intersection B cross A equal to intersection is nothing but the entries are appear both and A cross B and B cross A. Both appear in A cross B and B cross A. So we check both elements appear in A cross B and B cross A. First one is 1, 2. 1, 2 appear in A cross B. So same as appear in A, B 1, 2 is not. So 1, 2 is omitted. 1, 3 appear in A cross B. So 1, 3 appear in B cross A, not. Third one is 1, 5 appear in A cross B. 1, 5 appear in B cross A, not. Fourth one is 2 cross 2 appear in A cross B. 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 appear in A cross B. Also 2 cross 2 appear in B cross A. Also 2 cross 2 appear in B cross A. Therefore, the first entries is 2, 2. It is clear that second one 2, 3 appear in A cross B. 2, 3 appear in B cross A. those two entries are 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. So comma second entries is 2 comma 3. Third one is 2 comma 5 appear in A cross B. 2 comma 5 anything appear? It's not appear. So like that. Again 3 comma 2 appear in A cross B. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 again appear in B cross A. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Both entries are appearing A cross B and B cross A. So comma 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Again 3 comma 3 appear in A cross B. 3 comma 3 appear in B cross A. So another entries are 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. 3 comma 5 appear A cross B. 3 comma 5 appear A cross B. 5 comma 3 is not appear. So the A cross B intersection B cross B entries are 2 comma 3, 2 comma 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. This one is equation number 1. The LHS. Find out LHS. The LHS value of A cross B intersection B cross A is nothing but 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Then we have to find out RHS term. So RHS. Second one is right hand side. So RHS find out first brackets. A intersection B. A intersection B equal to the set of entries in A. A is 1, 2, 3. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Another intersection. The notation is intersection B. B is 2, 3, 5. 2 comma 3 comma 5. Then A intersection B is nothing but common entries both A and B. Common entries are 2 and 2. Circle 2 and 2. So 2 comma 3 and 3. 3. So 2 comma 3 only for A intersection B. Again B intersection A. Also we have to find out B intersection A. So B intersection A equal to same as 2 comma 3. B intersection A is nothing but same as 2 comma 3. B intersection is nothing but same as 2 cross 3 because A intersection B is the result because A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Both are equal. Using this result, A intersection B and the B intersection A are equal. So 2 comma 3 again 2 comma 3. So we have to find out A intersection B. A intersection B cross B intersection A. B intersection A equal to 2 comma 3 cross 2 comma 3. The product of cross product of 2 comma 3 to 2 comma 3. The cross product of 2 comma 3 2 comma 3 equal to first entries in first entries 2 comma 2. So first entries are 2 comma 2. Second entries are 2 comma 3. Third entries are 3 comma 2. Again 3 comma 3. Therefore A intersection B cross B intersection A is equal to 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. This one is RHS term. So equation number 2. If this one is RHS, equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. 1 is 2 comma 2. Also 2 comma 2. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. And 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. Both 1 and 2 are equal. Both 1 and 2 are equal. Hence, write down the result for hence LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified result. Hence verified. Problem number 4, subdivision 3 are completed. Fourth problem, subdivision 4. So fourth problem is by taking suitable sets A, B, C. By taking suitable sets A, B, C, verify the result. Verify the result C minus B minus A equal to C intersection A union C intersection B dash. C minus B minus A equal to C intersection A union C intersection B dash. This one is LHS term, this one is RHS term. So previous problem only for the set A, B, C only. This subdivision 4 is B dash. B dash is a complement set of B. So B dash is a complement set of B. So what is formula for complement set B dash? B dash equal to universal set minus B set. B dash equal to universal set minus B or B complement. B complement equal to universal set minus B. Both are same meaning. So first we have to find out B dash. After that, first we have to find out B dash. After that, A and B and C. So we see the solution. Let us take the universal set. Let us take the universal set. Let U equal to universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is universal set. And then let A equal to A, B, C both are subset of U. Collecting in subset of U. So A is 10, 2, 3, 4 and B set. B is 1, 5, 6, 8 and C is 2, 1, 4. Anything for us. Let A is 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 5, 6, 8. C is 2, 1, 4. Both sets are subset of U. Subset of U. A is subset of U, B is subset of U, C is subset of U. So now we have to find out complement set. B complement equal to universal set minus B set. So B complement or B dash equal to universal set. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Universal set minus set of B 1, 5, 6, 8. 1, 5, 6, 8. Therefore B dash equal to subtract this set minus this set. So 1 minus 1 later 2. So another entries is 2, 3. Another entries is 4. 5 is 5 subtracted, 6 subtracted, 7, 8 to 8 subtracted. So remaining entries are 2, 3, 4, 7. It is B dash. The set is B dash. This one is B dash. This one is A, B and C. So after that, we have to find out the LHS term. The LHS term is C minus B minus C. This one is LHS. This term is RHS. LHS and RHS. Now we have to verify LHS term. So LHS is first term bracket B minus A. B minus A equal to. Now we have to find out LHS. LHS B minus A. B minus A equal to set of B. B is the set of B is 1, 5, 6, 8. Set of B is 1, 5, 6, 8 minus set of A. A is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So B minus A equal to B minus A is equal to subtracted to 1. So 1, 5, 6, 8. 1, 5, 6, 8 is B minus A. A set of elements A not appear in B. So only for B minus A is same set 1, 5, 6, 8. So again we have to find out C minus B minus A. C minus B minus A equal to the set of C. Set of C is 2 comma 1 comma 4. C is 2 comma 1 comma 4 minus B minus 6. The set of B minus A is 1 5 6 8. 1 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8. 1 5 6 8. So subtract C minus B minus A is nothing but element in appear C, not in appear B minus C. 2, so 2 not appear in B, so 2, 1 is 1 appear, so subtracted, so remaining 4. So 2 comma 4 is the only element of C minus B minus A. This one is equation number 1. Is clear that? Equation number 1. C minus B minus A. C minus B minus A is 2 comma 4. Equation number 1. Second one is RHS term. So RHS term, we have to find out RHS. So first we have to find out C intersection A. C intersection A equal to, write down C intersection A in short term. C intersection A, the set of C. C is 2 1 4. C is 2 1 4. A is 2 3 4. So compare A and C. C is C intersection A. Now we have to find out C intersection A. So C intersection A is nothing but common element C and A. C and A. So compare the set. This is C set and A set. Common element C and A is 2 and 2 common element, 4 and 4 common element. Therefore, C intersection A is 2 comma 4. Only set for 2 comma 4. It is clear that after one C intersection B dash. Second one is C intersection B dash equal to C intersection B dash. C intersection B dash nothing but common element C and B dash. C is the set 2 1 4. B dash is nothing but 2 3 4 7. Clear that C is 2 1 4, B dash nothing but 2 3 4 7. So common element C and B dash is again 2 and 2 common element, 4 and 4 common elements. So C intersection B is 2 comma 4. Then after that C intersection A union C intersection B dash equal to C intersection A is 2 comma 4 union C intersection B dash is again 2 comma 4. Therefore, the union of two sets is 2 comma 4. Is the only two elements common same. So 2 comma 4. This one is C intersection A union C intersection B dash. Equation number 2. C intersection A union C intersection B dash. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS, hence verified result. So this problem we have taken universal set. Universal set because the complement of sets are given in question. Fourth problem, subdivision number 5. By taking suitable sets A, B, C, verify the result B minus A intersection C equal to B intersection C minus A equal to B intersection C minus A. There are three results. So first one is equation number 1. Let us take this value is equation number 1. Second one is let us take this value is equation number 2, and third one is take this value is equation number 3. From 1 to 3 both values are equal, then the result is verified. It is clear that how to verify? To find out first value and second value, third value, So three values are equal, then the result is verified. So first we have to find out. We see the solution. Let us take set. Let A equal to some number of sets 1, 3, 5, and another set B equal to 3, 5, 8, 9. Third set C equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever may be. For your convenience, change another value. After that, we have verified it. Let us take. First, we have to find B minus A. B minus A. We have to find B minus A. B minus A equal to the set of B entries. B entries are 3, 5, 8, 9. B entries 3, 5, 8, 9 minus A entries is 1, 3, 5. A entries is 1, 3, 5. Then B minus A is equal to subtract appear element only for B, not in A. So 3 appear. So greater 5 and 5 are appear greater. So 8 appear only for B, not appear in A. So 8, 9 appear only for B, not in A. Therefore B minus A equal to 8, 9. Again B minus A intersection C. B minus A intersection C equal to B minus A is 8, 9 intersection C. The set of C is 5, 6, 7, 8. So B minus A intersection C is meaning the common element in B minus A and C. The common elements of B minus A and C is only for 8. 8 is the only common elements. Therefore 8. Equation number 1. Second, we have to find out B intersection C. Then B intersection C equal to B intersection C is nothing but common element in B and C. So we see the set B. B is 3, 5, 8, 9 is a B set. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So common element B and C is 5 and 5 common element, 8 and 8 common element. So B intersection C is 5, 8. Directly we will write the common entries. B and C 5, 8. After 1 minus A. So B intersection C minus A equal to B intersection C 5, 8 minus the entries are A. A is 1, 3, 5. B intersection C is 5, 8. A is 1, 3, 5. It is meaning that B intersection C minus A equal to appear only for B intersection C. So 5 and 5 are subtracted. The element is 8 only. This is equation number 2. Third one. Third result is B intersection C minus A. First we have to find out C minus A. C minus A equal to the element of C. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. C is 5, 6, 7, 8 minus A. A is 1, 3, 5. A is 1, 3, 5. The entries A 1, 3, 5. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. Subtract both the term is 5 and 5 subtracted. 6, only 6, not 6 in 8. So 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, the only element for C minus A. And B intersection C minus A. You have to find out B intersection C minus A equal to the element of B. Entries of B is 3, 5, 8, 9. The element of B is 3, 5, 8, 9. Intersection. The element of C minus A is 6, 7, 8. Element of C minus A is 6, 7, 8. The common element in B intersection C minus A is only for A. The common entries are only for A. This one is equation number 3. From 1 to 3. From 1. First result is A. So B minus A intersection C is the value A. And B intersection C minus A 2. Second result, the value is again A. Third result is again A. So equation number 2. This one is equation number 2. This one is equation number 3. B intersection C minus C. This one is equation number 3. This one is equation number 1. B minus A intersection C. So compare from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Hence verified. Hence verified result. Fourth problem. Fourth problem, subdivision number 6. By taking suitable sets A, B, C, verify the result B minus A union C. B minus A union C equal to B union C minus A minus C. Clear that B minus A union C equal to B union C minus A minus C. This one is LHS term. Left hand side. This one is RHS. So we see the solution. This one last subdivision for fourth problem. Solution. Let us take any suitable value for A, B, C. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B. The set B equal to 3, 5, 4, 6 and C equal to 5, 7, 8, 9. For your convenience, choose another value and apply this problem. Also verify the result. Okay. So first you have to find out LHS. LHS term B minus A. Bracket first term B minus A equal to the term where it is the set B is 3, 5, 4, 6 is the set of B minus A. Set of A is 1, 2, 3. So B minus A is nothing but the entries only appear for B, not in A. B minus is nothing but the element appear only for B, not in A. 3 appear B and 3 appear A. So delete that 3. 5 appear only for B, not in A. So 5. 4 appear only for B, not in A. So 4. 6 appear only for B, not in A. 6. Which one is 5, 4, 6 is B minus A. B minus is 5, 6, 4, 6 and B minus A union C equal to the set of B minus A is 5, 4, 6 union C. C is 5, 7, 8, 9 union C. B minus A is 5, 4, 6. C is 5, 7, 8, 9. So union of two sets B minus A union C equal to union of two sets. So union of entries is write down 4 sets. 4, 5, 4, 6 and remaining entries 7, 7 and 8 and 9. 5 is to only repeated entries. We have to write only one times. Remaining 4, 6 and remaining entries are 8, 7, 8, 9. This equation number 1. LHS. So RHS we have to find out B union C. To find RHS, first one is B union C. B union C equal to the set of B entries. B entries is 3, 5, 4, 6. Union C. C is 5, 7, 8, 9 is C. B union C. B union C equal to 3, 5, 4, 6. First we have to write down B set. So remaining entries 5 also writing 5, 7, 7 and 8, 9. Which one is B union C. After we have to find out A minus C. A minus C equal to the set of elements A is 1, 2, 3. Set of elements A is 1, 2, 3 minus set of elements C is 5, 7, 8, 9. 5, 7, 8, 9. A is 1, 2, 3. C is 5, 7, 8, 9. So A minus C is equal to appear elements only for A, not in C. So appear elements only for A is 1, not in C. So for 1, second one, 2 appear elements 2, not in C. So 1, 2, 3 not in C. So 1, 2, 3 are A minus C. After that, whole term we have to find out whole term B union C minus A minus C equal to the value of B union C is 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. The value of B union C is 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the value of A minus C is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, B union C minus A minus C is nothing but the element appear only for B union C, not in A minus C. The element appear only for B union C, not in A minus C. So 3 appear B union C, also 3 appear A minus C. So deleted. 5 appear only for B union C. So first entry is 5. 4 appear only for B union C. 4. 6 appear B union C. 7 appear B union C. 8 appear B union C. 9 appear B union C. So 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is equation number 2. From 1 and 2. Compare the equation 1 and 2. First equation. This one is first equation. 1. This one is second. Compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Subdivision 6. Fourth problem, last subdivision problem is completed.